Hello friends, welcome back to the second video of AWS series. So in this video we'll see how to create EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud and how to connect it. So the agenda for our today's video is create EC2 instance and then connect it via RDP protocol. So let's get started. So first go to the AWS console. So this is the first time practical that I'm doing for the AWS certification. So you can just go and sign in here. So if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. So this is normally for the IAM user. So we're gonna use the root user email. So here, if you haven't created any account, so just create it. I have already created an account. So I'm just gonna use that. You can create from here as well. Just put the password. It might ask for the authentication. So I have already set up the authentication. So you just need to set up the authentication while you create an account. That is compulsory nowadays. It's for the security purpose as well. So I'm using Microsoft Authenticator for this purpose. So today agenda is creating EC2 instance. So just go to the EC2 on the top. So this is a virtual machine. So we'll just create virtual machine. We'll see how to create it and even connect it. So launch instance. Just give your server name. I'll just do as a Sabine server 1 and then just choose a platform which one you want to create. I'm just going to use a Windows. And then here, this is a free tier eligible. So just use the free tier one so that you don't get charged for the instance that you are creating. Then on the instance type, so you can see so many options here. So this is based on the memory and you will get charged based on that. So 0.5 gigabyte memory and price is there. So same like that, you can find 16 memory and then the price is 0.2112 USD per hour. So just to choose the one. So I'm just gonna choose a T3 micro. And then here you have to create a new key pair. This is for signing on the EC2 instance that you just gonna create it. So I have already here, I have created two. So, but I'm just gonna create a new one for the demo here and the peer name will be Sabine1 and it should be a PEM file .pem. So click on create key pair. So it is here. So we'll just go for now. So on the network settings, just allow everything. So this is RDP protocol which we're gonna use to sign in and click on this one, click on this one. This is for HTTPS, secure one and unsecure one. And the port number for this one is 80 and HTTPS is 443 and RDP is 3389. We'll see there once we create the instance. So just leave the storage like this. That's all done for now. So we'll just launch instance. So that will create an instance for us. So once we go to the instances, we can see the one that I just created, Sabine server 1. It is running. So the status is initializing, so we'll just wait until it finished. Just a refresh on the middle if it's done. So it's still going on. So finally my instance is created and its status is checked. So let's go to the instances. So let's just check the instance. So here is the details on the down. So you can go to the security and check the port number that I was telling before. So this is for the RDP, this is for the HTTPS, and this is for the HTTP that we can log in, and there are details and everything. So let's go to the connect now, and in the RDP client, so we'll just download the remote desktop file so that we can connect it. So it's over here, it's downloading. So we'll just get the password because we need a password to get inside. So here we'll just upload the .pm file that we download before and decrypt the password. Then this is the password here. So we'll just go and run that file so that we can launch it and connect our EC2 instance. So here we'll just paste the password that we just copied before. This one. Okay. Here we have used less computation power. So it took so much time to get inside the Windows home screen. But if you are doing a projects, then you better use the high computation power instance tab in the beginning. So now you have seen how to create a EC2 and how to connect it via RDP protocol. So if you are done with that, then we can simply delete the EC2. So we just don't want to charge the money on our account. So we'll just click the one that we are using right now and just click on instance state and click on terminate. So this will terminate or delete your EC2 instance so that you don't get charged for this one. So it is shutting down and it will get terminated after some time. So finally my subin server 1 is terminated. So this is how you create EC2 instance, connect it, and then you can shut down the machine or terminate the machine. I'll see you in another video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.